Hello, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the fourth look of my Tamara Mascara Luxury Eyelash collection. Today we're doing these babies. They are called Heartbreaker, inspired by the song by Mariah Carey. The look that I'm going to do today is also kind of inspired by the honey glam of Mariah Carey. So without further introduction, let's get the party started. As usual, I'm preparing my skin for the makeup with the Laura Mercier Blemishless Primer. For this look in particular, I want my brows to look really soft, so I'm going in with a pencil, and this pencil has a really soft color too. I just don't want the brows to be too harsh on that look. I'm using Kryolan TV Paint Stick in the color NB and G178 to do my full coverage foundation. I'm using tiny amounts of Laura Mercier's Flawless Fusion Foundation to make the paint stick look softer. I'm brightening up my under eye area using the Lock It Concealer by Kat Von D in the color Whiteout. When I blend it in, I mix it with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation. Then it's time for some cream contour. Instead of painting lines on my face, I'm warming up the product on the back of my hand, and then I apply it with a brush. For my nose contour, I'm going in with my Real Techniques 102 brush. The triangular shape is perfect to contour your nose. For this look, I want my skin to have a deep and really beautiful glow. So I'm using MAC's Hyper Real Foundation in Bronze FX, and I blend it in tiny amounts with a stipple brush. I'm setting my foundation with Laura Mercier's setting powder in Translucent. Getting those heartbreaker cheeks with the Romantic Rose Powder Blush by Milani. I'm intensifying my contour by going over it with some contour powder. I'm mixing a little bit of bronzer in it. Alright, so the backdrop for our eye look is done, and I think I'm ready to get the party started and come closer to these Heartbreaker eyelashes. For my Heartbreaker eye makeup, I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette. I'm starting to map out my eye makeup using So Bougie. I'm using the shade Cocoa Truffle to deepen the outer corner and the crease. I'm mixing Decadent and Cocoa Truffle to create more darkness on the outer corner. Using a flat synthetic brush and the shade Rolling in Dough to highlight my brow bone. Going back into So Bougie to shape my lower eyelid. I'm using Love and Cocoa with a tiny wet eyeshadow brush, stamping it on my lower lid to create some darkness and some shimmer. I'm tightlining my eye with NYX Professional Makeup's Wonder Pencil. I'm going over my face with Fix Plus Pink Light to get that rose gold glow. I'm using Too Faced Love Light Prismatic Highlighter in the shade You Light Up My Life with a small eyeshadow brush to start the golden shower. I'm going in with the Too Faced Glitter Palette and the shade Oh It's On to intensify the gold and make it shimmer and shine. To finalize my eyeshadow, I'm highlighting the inner corner with MAC's Vanilla Pigment. I'm smudging out some black eyeliner to create an accentuated upper eyelid without being too harsh. I just want the whole look to be warm and soft. Last but not least, a little bit of a brow gel to fix everything and intensify the brows again. And now we are ready to put them on. And as usual, I'm using my Tamara Mascara eyelash application tweezers. You can also get them in my store. Alright, so here she comes. And there she is. And again, I just started to put one lash on just to make you see the huge difference that these eyelashes do to your makeup. So here you can see the Heartbreaker effect, which is obviously breaking all the hearts wherever you go. And on this side, it's just a naked hot mess. So I think from this close you can really see how nice they are. They're totally full and feathery and light, and they give you that warm look. So to finish off the look, I'm just going to use two different lipsticks and cover them with one MAC gloss. It will be a kind of nudish but structured lip, and then I'm just going to put my beauty mark on, and I'm coming back with my wig and my outfit on. See you! Alrighty, already right. So this is the complete look for these beautiful eyelashes. They're called Heartbreaker. They're the number 4 in the Tamara Mascara Luxury Eyelash Collection. And if you are interested in finding out more, then just keep on watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, visit my store, get my eyelashes, follow me on Instagram, and do everything that you want to do. Honeys, see you in my next video. Bye. Say goodbye, honey. Bye.